Okay, so this is all we removed just to get to this timing. To get the timing, we have to remove everything. Okay. So now, so we have to remove the push rod because of this place. See? So now we fix the push rod back. And we're going to set the timing. So one thing here, you see this, the valve are separated. We set the valve. Okay, these are the valve. This is how they are being fixed. This one is not, you see, they are separated. It's not going inside each other. Each one have his own stand. See, there is gap in the middle. Yes, of all of them. Where's the apple? Never sign. Don't worry, I'll sign. So this is the Tata bus as we. It's different from. So this is it. It's removed. I put it here, and so this is it. This one is plain. It's nothing downside. It's just the oil passage from this hole to the other hole. So we fix it like this. This one is fixed. Then this one, you see, from one valve to another valve, check all. And there is something I see, you see the point, all of them point facing front. Okay, so these are the points, they're all facing front. I don't know, you can fix it the other side, then work. The same, but you just fix it like that. All the points is facing front. Just showing you how it's been removed. This is the first time loose, and this is it. This one on its own. So look, you fix the whole way. You fix. Make sure everything lie down on the push rod. Look at all. So we're all sitting on your sitting. So this is sitting. Then we tight a little bit. Tight, not coming out. Then we fix the other one. This is the other one. The bolt is here. Same. Fix. See? It's not touching anything. You see? Separate. They have their own separate. Make sure you sit. Sit. And push. So when I set the valve, I'll make another video for the valve setting. So but this is it. We are here because of our time. So I'm going to tie it all now. Then it's okay. So this is how I remove this one. Same all of them. Check store, mafia, and mafia, full boss.
paper lazım.
Yeah, lazim paper. Kalam mada şimdi. La, tani.
Harcet.
Açacağız.
Zaten de ziyade time.
So, okay, let's zalan. لا لا ما في مشكلة. هذا مشكلة ما في مريضة. So that is it. These are all. This is it. We're going to fix the injector now. There is no injector there. Fix the injector. Fix the injector. Remember, when I remove, there is no key here. I don't know if you have key. The key fell out. I don't know. I checked. There is no key. So I'm going to fix it. I'll check if I have key inside to complete this one. But I know when I remove, there is no key. So definitely I can fix like that. I'm just showing you so that you know. This is the crown wheel. I put mark how I remove. After I set the timing, this is the mark I get. When I remove, I'll clean this place so to get more view of this area. Okay, this is the pump. PS4. That's it. And okay, so we're on it. Okay, it's the bus, tata bus.